Don't do what 99% of other designers are doing to find logo design inspiration, which is searching on Pinterest, Dribbble, and Behance. Yes, there are some incredible designs there to get your ideas going, but there is another step that you can do to find inspiration for your logo designs that will add a whole new depth and creativity, and in this video, I will explain how to do it. You have seen them. They have become iconic and you probably love them or you hate them. But the thing about these logos is they have something in common, and it's not their intricate or oversimplified shapes. And it's not even their uniqueness, but the story behind them. Every great logo has a deeper story behind it. It shouldn't just be that one looked cool as the reason you created it. It opens the door for the brand to tell the story and for people to find out more about why this logo was chosen, and it can connect them more with the brand as a result. Look at some big brands and the meaning behind their logos. Like the Mercedes-Benz logo has the 3 points representing land, sea, and air. These are environments that the company believed they would one day dominate with their engines. Toblerone chocolate logo has a bear in the silhouette of the mountain because the coat of arms of Bern in Switzerland, which is where this chocolate is made, has that bear on it. The Hyundai logo has 2 people shaking hands representing trust and satisfaction. Look at Toyota. The overlapping of the 2 perpendicular ovals inside the outer oval symbolizes the T for Toyota, as well as the steering wheel representing the vehicle itself, with the outer oval symbolizing the world that Toyota embraces. Now, they based their logo on these keywords that they wanted to be known for, which is a really good idea for companies: quality, value, joy of driving, integrity, environment, and social responsibility. Levi's has this batwing shape representing the shape of the jeans on the pockets. Unilever has a U shape that represents all things that show sustainable living. Amazon has this arrow showing that it has everything there from A to Z with a smile. So to show how this would work, let's take the idea that we're gonna design for a tech company called Odys, from the Greek mythology, Odysseus, the legendary Greek king of the island of Ithaca. And while you could just go to Pinterest and look at other logo designs of Greek mythology, the best thing is to first understand why this company is choosing this name. Let's say they're using it to show the intelligence and loyalty that they want to have with customers, and you do deeper research into the epic poem, the Odyssey, this is based on. You get keywords from the company of what characteristics they want to be known for. You also look at images of these keywords on Google. You see drawings from that time period in Greek mythology. You create a mood board embodying this culture based on the imagery, shapes, and elements. If you're clueless about Greek mythology and Greek authors like Homer, you can watch videos or look at historical documentaries on this subject, filling your mind with lots of deep understanding about the brand and what they want to be known for. Then do tons and tons of sketches with different ideas just flowing. You're gonna see that the inspiration will come from the original brand's goal itself, as opposed to just other designers. You can look at how other people create a logo similar, but sometimes this is gonna get you fixed in one you liked, and you're not gonna be able to go beyond that. Logos take a lot of time on the part of designers to properly research, understand, and go through a ton of ideas to get a truly memorable and timeless logo for that company. And that's why you should be properly charging. You're only doing a disservice to clients to price yourself cheaply, because you won't be able to do the company proper justice in uncovering that best logo representation of their brand that will allow them to tell this awesome stories for years to come. So what do you think about this? Should we just find inspiration from other logos, or should we be more original and put more time and care in creating that symbol that will represent the company for so many years to come? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.